Hello. Today I'm going to demonstrate the simple read activity in the form of assignment. So here is my IntelliJ editor. So here's my class for simple read, and here is the function which basically extracts patient's name using file resources. So here in this function, what I've done is I've used vread variant of the read function of file resource so to just retrieve a patient complete name. So to retrieve patient complete name, I'm going to demonstrate two different functions using which I'm able to retrieve patient name. One is get patient first repetition, and this another is get name at a particular index, which here I have specified as 0. So then I would just pass the patient as my parameter to JSON parser to parse uh, my patient resource and just encode it to JSON. And then finally, I am going to just display my results on screen. So here's this simple function for this simple read. So now I'm going to just save it and run it to just see that is my output is aligned with the Happy Fire server's output, which we would later on check and compare. So let's go and build this project, and I'll build this project now. And it's parsing Java and it's building. And test is passed. It says compilation completed successfully with 3 warnings. So let's ignore the warnings and just go to directly run the program. So I'm going to run simple read. So I've run this and now it's running. So let's see the output. So I've got the output. So first, as I'm going to at this line 40, I'm going to just print the encoded JSON. So similarly here I find the JSON output which says this patient ID I just put in my test runner here. So this was the ID, and according to this ID, patient's name information was retrieved, and that is here we find that patient's name, family name is Doe, its given name is John, it's male. So I retrieve the patient name at position 0 and first repetition of a patient name, which this resource just gave me. So yeah, so this is my output. And now let's verify it that does this patient which I have retrieved from file server, this information aligns with the information present on file server. So I have this happy fire server. So to check that, this is the online version of the fire server, happy server. So to check that, I'm going to go this CRUD operation, and this at this read operation I'm going to put in the ID and version, which in this particular case I specified it as 1 here because I am using the vread variant of the read resource file resource. So I'm specifying this 1 to obtain the first version of the information, to read the first version of the information present with this ID. So now I'm going ahead and I'm going to click this read, and yeah, this is the information I got. It says that okay, there is response present, and this is the complete body of the message which says that yeah, this is the patient and this patient ID and it's version ID 1 which I got here in my output as it is as the response should be. So and the output which I received from this file server says Doe, and I also received this Doe here. So these are the two repetition of do because I'm using two different functions to obtain patient's name. So that's why these two are here. And then finally, I'm in test runner. I'm just going to confirm that yeah, I received the expected name. What was the expected name and what's the original actual name? And both of them matched, and I received retrieved the patient name. So again, going ahead and here in the file server. This was a patient resource and the same information I retrieved. So this was my demonstration for the for the for this simple patient read patient simple patient information read activity where I retrieved patient name using vread variant of read using two different functions, and the information matched with the information present on happy server. So thank you for